Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Love My Life, and in this video I'm going to give you a quick tour of EXHO 3BHK holiday home apartment in which we are stayed in for 2 days when we were on our vacation to Goa. Let me show you this beautiful apartment. So this is how the apartment looks from outside, and as you can see all the balconies are decorated and they have like almost 4 to 5 levels here, and they have all kind of facilities like parking facilities, guard facility, and they have lift too. So if you're just coming up with some rental car or something like that, तो भी आपको उसको पार्क करने में कोई भी टेंशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. They have the parking facilities. So हमारे पास लगेज भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा था एंड हमारा 3rd फ्लोर था, सो लिफ्ट की वजह से थोड़ा सा हेल्पफुल हो गया था हमें अपना सामान ले जाने में. सो चलिए अब देखते हैं कि अपार्टमेंट अंदर से कैसा लगता है. सो बेसिकली दिस इज़ द एंट्री गेट ऑफ द अपार्टमेंट. सो जैसे ही आप इस अपार्टमेंट में एंटर करते हो, यू ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड यू विल फाइंड योर ड्राइंग रूम. सो जहाँ पे हमने काफ़ी सारा टाइम स्पेंड किया था बिकॉज दे हैव अ गुड स्पेस, लाइक दे हैव 2 काउचेस जिस पे आराम से आप 6-7 लोग आराम से बैठ सकते हैं. एंड दे हैव AC, दे हैव TV, दे हैव ऑल द डेकोरेटिंग स्टफ, द सेंटर टेबल, एवरीथिंग वाज देयर. So you can really spend a good time at your drawing area. So, and on the right hand side you will find the kitchen and dining area. So kitchen is also full of facilities like utensils were there, microwave, fridge, and the dining table, everything was there, so no need to worry about the kitchen part. So kitchen के बगल में you will find your first room. So this is the very first room of this apartment, and this room is very beautiful, and the best part about it is that I'm going to stay in this room. So as you can see, the bed, the cupboard, the table, and beautiful view. So everything is sorted. So I personally like this room, although it doesn't have the balcony, but it's okay. It has a beautiful view, but that is enough for me. Now let me show you the second room of the apartment. So this is a really nice room with full of facilities. Again, it has a dressing table, it has a big cupboard, and the side table, side lamps were there, and they have decorated the room beautifully. And the best part about this room is it has a very beautiful balcony view. So in the balcony also you can see there is a sitting setup, so you can sit there and enjoy your evening, morning in the balcony. And when you come out from the second room, you will find your first washroom and the laundry area. And then there is the entry of the 3rd room. The room interior was quite similar to the previous one, and it also has a balcony with the apartment view. So balcony was decorated beautifully with this beautiful artificial plant leaves. So the key pointers are this apartment is an ideal place to stay in with your family or friends because it has all the facilities which you can think of. So we have really enjoyed our stay in this apartment. So it actually feels like home when we have stayed here for like 2 days, क्योंकि हम अपने साथ अपना cooking का सामान लेकर आए थे. So although they have utensils and everything, you have to bring your own ration so that you can cook food out here. So यहाँ पे किसी तरह के restrictions नहीं है, and the owner was also quite friendly and helpful. So this kind of apartment is really ideal for all kind of people, like whether you're going with your family or friends, because it is cheap in cost in comparison to other hotels and stuff, and you can make your own food out here, you can relax and you can feel like home also. So it has so many things to offer. So this kind of setup, I really like it because this was my first time and it was a great experience for me. So I will highly recommend this EXHO 3BHK holiday home apartment in Goa. So guys, I hope you like this apartment too. So in case if I miss some points in this video, you can ask me in the comment section and I will try to answer it out. and I will also mention all the details in the description, so you can check them out from my description. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video, so you can consider subscribing to my channel and hit the like button and press the bell icon. And you can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook, links are in the description. So guys, thanks for being here, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.